Sanibona, namuhla ngifuna sikhulume nge-filing season lezobe iqala next month kahle kahle kuJuly yakwa-SARS. So izinto engifuna ukuyibala kule video ukuthi iyini obani kumele befile information eningi about yona ungayithola lapho nokuthi kufayilwa kanjani. Yabo. So ukuqala nje filing season ezoqala nje manje ama-individual, so akuyona ama-business yawonke umuntu one-payslip une-payslip, une-tax number nje une-payslip, kumele le information wazi nokuthi kwenziwa kanjani, nokuthi yini okumele uyenze, nokuthi yini ongamele uyenze. Okwesibili, kufayilwa nini, qala nini. So bazoqala uSARS uzoqala enze into okuthiwa i-auto assessment, whereby uSARS uzobe filela abantu, khona abantu angamele befile. So uzobe filela abantu based on i-information yena aseyireceive from abaqashi, from ama-bank, from ama-medical aid or medical schemes, from ama-retirement funds. Yabo. So I'm sure umuntu usebonile nje manje ukuthi ama-bank aseqala kusendela ama-tax certificate, une-medical aid, I'm sure i-medical aid yakhe sekusendela i-tax certificate, umqashi wakho sekusendelile, or ungena kwi-system yena semsebenzini, le system check kuyo ama-payslip, imvamisa kuba u-ESS system. So usuyitholile iletuzana i-tax certificate from or i-IRP5 document from umqashi wakho. So leyo document balekile ukuthi uyigcine kahle nalaphuma ku-medical aid scheme yakho, naphuma ku-retirement fund yakho, naphuma nje ebhenki lakho, uyigcine kahle, just that if uzomele uqhathanise izinto eziphakathi nalezo uSARS azobe kuvezela zona ukwazi ukuyisebenzisa. Okay, ngidluleke lapho, ngifuna ukuxoxa ngama-auto assessment lawa azobe eqala ngomhla 7. So ngomhla 7 July kuya kumhla 20 July uSARS uzobenza ama-auto assessment. So most abantu abaletuzana asikho isidingo sokuthi uzofile for SARS based on ukuthi uzobe sensala information aseyitholile ngawo. Into ongayenza wena ukuthi uloge in kwi-system yakwa-SARS, i-filing system, just ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi i-email yakho, ama-personal details akho ase-right, confirm i-email yakho, i-phone number and ama-banking details akho. Wenze sure ukuthi ama-banking details akho are-right kusemanje, because after mhla 6 nje kusakwazi. Okay, umhla ka-21 July kuya mhla ka-20 October uSARS uzobe seletuzana uzobe sevulele ama-non-provincial, so uzobe sevulele bonke abantu abanga-auto assesswanga. So if ungatholanga i-SMS yokuthi uSARS ukwenzele i-auto assessment, ushuthi lapho usungafayila wena, ushuthi usungasubmit into zakho wena, ungena system yakho. So ukufayila ke wenza nje, ungena kulentuzana, hamba lentuzana ku-e-filing system yakho. So indlela zokuthi sense i-filing system or sense i-app, mina prefer i-filing system. Ungena khona, log in, uselect unyaka, ithi engiletuzana, or it is advisable ukuthi abantu before befile uqale ulentuzana usubmit leminye iminyaka ongakaze usubmit. Let's say mhlawumbe umuntu ongasubmithanga last year, ongasubmithanga 2023 or 2024, 2020 yabo. So make sure ukuthi uyasubmitha onke before submit yakulo nyaka. Ngenzeka bekufine kancane, ngenzeka bengakufine futhi. So ngesazi nakhona futhi mase usubmitile into zakho lezo bivulwa, it's mostly for abantu abanama-car allowance, ama-petrol card, lezo bisivulwa ngomhla 21, whereby uSARS uzobe sedinga information eningi kubona, ngeke edinga ukusebenzisa le information that is submitted by ama-employers, ama-banki, retirement funds, letuzana medical aid schemes. So information ekanjani njengokuthi mawuthi petrol card ne-car allowance, uSARS uzofuna ukwazi mangaka ama-business kilometers owatravelile, yabo, yonke leyo nto leyo. So based on that lapha azokwazi khona ukubona ukuthi kumele naku-refund back or ngaku-refund. Nakhona mase ku-refund uSARS kuya ngokuthi malini. So let's say ume-refund or wena uyamkweleta, because mawuthi wena umkweleta kuzomela phela umkhokhele, kodwa mawuthi yena kumele aku-refund, let's say urefunda, kumele aku-refund imali, if imali yakhona i-more than 100 rand, uzoyikhokha to your bank account. That's why kubalulekile ukuthi ama-bank details akho wa-check. So imali kuthiwa ingena within 72 hours izobe isikhokhwa kwi-account number yakho. Okunye yini ngibalanga ilokho, but uma ufuna information eningi follow uSARS kuwonke ama-social media platforms, ba-check YouTube banokuposta ama-video about information yabo. And so lezi zinto ngibalela ama-data awu-2 kuphela, ngiwashilela amanye o-provincial because aserious kakhulu lawa, sedinga ama-accountant isikhathi esiningi. So lawe engisawashilo njengamanje levulwa ngomhla 7 kahle lapho udinga ukwenza lutho, but udinga ukuthi nje njengamanje ucheck ukuthi zonke into zakho i-right, personal details, confirm ukuthi email yakho ise-right, confirm ukuthi i-phone number uyisebenzisa ise-right because bazobe kusendela khona ama-OTP, confirm nama banking details, yabo, because after mhla ka-6 uyilanga lokugcina mhla 6 ngale kube sekuvaliwe, yabo. So and kuyoba umdanti usulungisa into zakho lese bafaka i-account number wrong okwenza leli, yabo. Kodwa yona ke ama-steps okwenza into esimple kakhulu ukuthi ungene nje kwi-system yabo, ukwazi ukusebenzisa uFacebook ngoba noSARS i-filing yakhona i-blue, ukwazi ukusebenzisa uFacebook na I'm sure nayo ungakwazi ukuyisebenzisa, yabo. Kube yini maybe ucheck ne website yabo uma uthi konke ungayiqondi, but ucheck website yabo, check YouTube banokuposta ama-video ama-steps mawuthi ufuna ukubona ukuthi click kephi. I think konke lokho ngiyabonga.